Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to discuss very important topic in mathematics which needs a lot of practice as well as concepts also. Okay, yes, I'm talking about the integration, and this chapter is very lengthy. So I have divided this chapter into several parts, and for every part I made several videos. Okay, so you can understand and you can go through all the videos, and I'm sure this you will find very interesting to learn. Okay, let's start the lesson. Now, before starting integration, I'm sure you have studied about the topic which is called differentiation. Okay, so what is the meaning of differentiation? I'm just talking about the word meaning. Okay, I'm not talking about any mathematical definition. So, what is the meaning of differentiation? To divide the things or to make the smaller parts. What you can say? To make the smaller parts. Okay, or to divide a bigger object into smaller objects. And what should be the meaning of integrate or integration? Integrate means to combine the things, to combine the smaller things to make the bigger things. Okay, so it means we can say that differentiation and integration are the reverse process of each other. They are the opposite process of each other. Okay, so if they are opposite process of each other, then why do we say that integration is little difficult than differentiation, or why differentiation is easier than integration? Yes, it is in fact actually. Why? Because we can differentiate any function. For example, if I say sine x plus 10 to the power x, you can differentiate it. Okay, but if I ask you to integrate it, then it will be a big problem to integrate this function. Okay, so we can integrate the function only when it is written in the standard form, and to write the integration function in the standard form we need a lot of practice for that. Okay, because there is no chain rule in integration like you have studied in differentiation. So let's start the topic. If fx and gx be two functions such that derivative of fx is equal to gx. Okay, what here we have seen, that differentiation of fx with respect to x is equal to gx, then integration of, this is the sign of integration, integration of gx with respect to x will be equal to fx. Okay, now here we can consider few examples. For example, if I tell you that what should be the integration of sine x, sorry, differentiation of sine x, differentiation of sine x, what you will say? Cos x. Okay, so it means integration of cos x with respect to x should be sine x. No problem in this. Okay, very good. Now if I say what should be the derivative of sine x plus 10, then what you will say? It will be cos x. Why? Because derivative of 10 will be 0, because 10 is a constant number. Yes, so its derivative will be 0. So derivative of sine x plus 10 will also be cos x. So from this fact, from this statement, we can say that integration of cos x with respect to x should be sine x plus 10, because derivative of sine x plus 10 will also be cos x, and integration is the antiderivative process. So antiderivative means opposite of derivative. Okay, so some students will say that if we integrate, then we should get sine x plus 100. Some students will say we should get sine x minus 20. Yes, everybody is correct. Okay, but what similarity here you can see in all these answers? You can see here that variable part is same, sine x, sine x. Okay, so variable part is same. What is difference? Different thing is constant only. Here constant is plus 0, here constant is plus 10, maybe you can have minus 20, anything. So to adjust this constant, we write here plus c. So whenever you will integrate the function, at the last, at the final step, you will write plus c. And what is the name of this plus c? It is called constant of integration. What we say? Constant of integration. Okay, and it is important to put this plus c at the last step. You will remember this thing. Okay, otherwise examiner can deduct the marks for this. Now my question is, if we can integrate like this, then where is the problem? And also one question can be, anybody can ask you that what is the basic difference between differentiation and integration? So what you will say here, that differentiation of any function is unique. Unique means you will get only one answer for that. For example, if you differentiate sine x, then you can get only cos x. No other answer is possible. Yes? So differentiation of any function is unique, but integration of the function is not unique. Why? You have seen the example. Cos x integration, it can be sine x, it can be sine x plus 10, it can be sine x plus 20 even. Okay? So integration of the function is not unique, but it differs only by a constant. Functional part, variable part will be same. Variable part will not change. Okay, I will not say that it will become sine square x. No, variable part will be same. Only the constant number will be changed. But change is a change. Okay, so integration of the function cannot be unique, whereas differentiation of the function is unique. Okay, this is the basic difference between differentiation and integration. Now, after this, let's start the basic things about the integration. As I have told you that integration can be done only when it is written in the standard form. Okay, so before starting anything in the integration, let's have some formulae. Okay, for example, if you integrate sine x, we are talking about the integration of trigonometric functions. So if you integrate sine x, what you will get? Minus cos x. Okay, whatever formula I am writing here, you can just verify by differentiating right hand side, and you must get left hand side. Okay, so if you differentiate cos x, what you will get? Minus sine x. So if you differentiate minus cos x, what you will get? Plus sine x. Yes, so whenever I write any formula, just if you want to verify, what you will do here, just differentiate right hand side, and you must get left hand side. Okay, now next is integration of cos x. Integration of cos x will be equal to sine x. Okay, students, don't be confused here. Okay, derivative of sine x is plus cos x, but integration of sine x is minus cos x. So sometimes in hurry students do the mistake. Now integration of tan x is log of sec x. What you will say? Log of sec x, or sometimes you can say it is minus log of cos x also. Okay, why do I put this absolute value function here? Because you know that logarithm can be defined only when the number is positive. So to make this sec x positive, we put absolute value. Okay, integration of cot x will be log of sin x. Same reason, you will put absolute value here. Integration of sec x, it will be equal to log of sec x plus tan x. Okay, I am not writing plus c every time. Okay, just you will solve the question and then we'll put it there plus c. Integration of cosec x dx is equal to log of cosec x minus cot x. Okay, my dear students, somewhere cosec x is written like this also, CSC. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, these two are the denotions for cosec x. Okay, now another formula can be like integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. It will be tan inverse x. Okay, integration of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. It will be sine inverse x. Integration of 1 upon x times root x square minus 1. It will be sec inverse x. Okay, and what else you can have? Integration of sec square x is equal to tan x. Okay, integration of cosec square x means it will be minus cot x. Okay, these are the basic integration formulae for integration. Okay, you will have to memorize. At the end of this video, I will show you a list of complete formulae of integration, so you can have a screenshot of that and you can save it for your further reference. Okay, now let's talk about some integration formulae for algebraic expression, exponential and logarithmic expression. So if you have x to the power n dx, where n is any real number, so its integration will be x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. You can differentiate this right hand side and you will get this left hand side. Okay, just to verify it. So what condition on n we must have here? N should not be equal to minus 1. Why? Because if you'll put n is equal to minus 1 here, then its value will be undefined because denominator cannot be 0. Now, integration of 1 over x dx is equal to log x. Okay. Of course, x must be positive, as I have told you that log cannot be defined for the 0 as well as negative number. Okay. Integration of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, same, no change, because derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So integration will also be e to the power x. Next is integration of a to the power x dx. It will be equal to a to the power x over log a, where a is a positive real number. Okay, remember, whenever you are using log, that number should be positive or it should be written with absolute value sign. Okay, don't forget it. And anything else? No. So these are the basic formulae other than trigonometry. Okay, now before discussing the questions, we'll discuss the properties of integration. There are some properties by which integration will become easy for you. Okay, so properties of integration, let's talk about it. First property is, if you have to integrate the addition or subtraction of the functions, if you have to integrate addition or subtraction of the function, then what it will be? It will be integrated separately. You can see what I have done here. I have written the integration separately. Okay, for example, if we have to integrate x square plus sec square x, so what you will get here? You will write it separately. See, you will practice for writing separately just in the starting days. Okay, and once you are done with the practice, then you can write it directly, you can integrate it directly. Okay, so first I have written the integration separately, and then what is the integration of x square? By which formula it is matching? It is matching with x to the power n. So what was the formula? X to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So it will be x to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus sec square x integration is 10x. So what will be the answer? X cube over 3 plus 10x. Okay, will it be the complete answer, or we are forgetting something? Yes, we are forgetting to write plus c here. Okay, it is very important to write plus c at last. Okay, so this was the first property when we integrate the addition or subtraction of the functions. Next property is the multiplication. Multiplication means if you want to integrate product of two functions. Okay, so dear students, this is basically another topic, integration by parts. So here just I am writing the formula. Okay, because for integration by parts I'll make the separate video for that. Okay, so that you can understand it in a better way. So this will be first function into integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of the first function, and then integration of the second function, and then whole integration, this complete all in the bracket, and at last you will write dx. Okay, so this is very big formula, I know, but I will make different video for this so that you can better understand this. Okay, forget about this. Now next is, if you want to integrate a function which is multiplied by any constant k is a real number, so what it will be? Real number will go out of the integration and variable part will be integrated. For example, if you have to integrate 10 sine x, so how you will integrate it? 10 will go outside because it is a constant. Take care of the students, because it's a constant, only constant number goes out. Okay, no variable part will go out. So 10 will go out and sine x will be integrated. And what will be the integration of sine x? It will be minus cos x. So answer will be minus 10 cos x plus c. Okay, so like this you can integrate the function. Okay, so where is the problem then, when we have seen that some examples so that we have integrated easily? Where is the problem? Problem is to write the function in integrable form. For example, if we want to solve the question x cube times x to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, so we can do it in many ways, but so far we are trying to discuss about simplification. So what simplification you can do here? You can multiply this by distributive property. X to the power 4 inside it will be multiplied by both the numbers. So it will be x to the power 7 plus x to the power 3. So this will be x to the power 8 over 8 plus x to the power 4 over 4 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. Another question can be integration of x cube plus 1 over x cube. How you will integrate it? See what simplification you can do here. You can write numerator, each term of numerator with the denominator. Means you can separate it. Okay, like this. Can we do this like or not? We can do. So this is x cube over x cube 1. 1 over x cube. Yes. See, dear students, here sometimes students do the mistake due to hurry. They remember that 1 over x integration is log x. So by mistake they write 1 over x cube dx is log of x cube. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay. Why? Because this log x facility is available only for power 1, not with any other power. Okay. So you can write it as x to the power minus 3, because power, when it goes from denominator to numerator, it becomes negative. So what will be the integration of 1? It is a constant. So its integration will be 1 into x, means x plus x to the power minus 3 integration, it will be minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1, means answer will be x minus x to the power minus 2 over minus, not minus because I have written already minus there, and then plus c. Okay, this x to the power minus 2, you can take it down. So it will be 1 upon x square. Okay, like this we can make some interesting questions. And you have seen, if you remember the basic formulae, then this integration topic will be easy for you. Okay, I'll take the separate videos for another questions or another concepts. Okay, but since this was the basic video, basic for the integration, so I little made it small, and later on I'll make different videos so that you can understand it better. Okay, so if you think that this lesson will be helpful for you and it will increase your knowledge, so please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.